Hello, I'm Emma Cornell. I'm a solicitor here at Taylor Bracewell and Head of Dispute Resolution. Boundary disputes can be quite difficult. When you're living next to your neighbour, you can't escape a boundary dispute. The first thing would be always to try and speak to your neighbour and see if you can informally resolve the issue. It might be just a simple conversation with them will just bring this issue to an end. But if you do agree something with your neighbour, you need to make sure that it's legally drafted, put in writing and correctly registered. Otherwise, it's a matter of gathering all of your documents together. Collect your deeds, look at your land registry title and your plans. Do the same for your neighbour's property as well to make sure that they match. When you're unsure where the location is, you may have to instruct a surveyor to carry out a report. And it's always worth photographing your boundaries or filming your boundaries so you know exactly where they were when you moved into your property. And if they alter, you can see exactly how they've altered. Another useful idea would be to speak to former owners of your property or neighbours and ask them where the boundaries used to be. Ultimately, it might be that you have to instruct solicitors to send letters to your neighbours so that they can then try and resolve the boundary issue. That doesn't necessarily mean going to court. There are other ways to resolve matters by way of mediation. A solicitor can always carry out a title check for you. They can go through all of your deeds to look at the history of the property, work out where the boundaries are, but also look to see whether you've carried out any steps that have altered the boundaries or any conduct that means others have claimed rights over your property by way of using your property as their own or accessing over your property. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Contact details for me and Taylor Bracewell is on the screen, and all of the details are on our website.